Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power down and unplug the Xbox 360 Slim, then set it on a soft cloth. You need a clear view of the front bezel. Once positioned, feel for the two small release tabs at the top edge and the clipped bottom corners. Using your thumbs, press the top tabs inward while holding the bottom steady. This separates the faceplate clips. Move deliberately and keep pressure even, because forcing a corner can snap a clip and complicate reassembly. Once the top clips move, continue by sliding your thumbs along the seam to disengage the upper retention points. You should feel a subtle release. When that happens, pull the faceplate straight outward with steady pressure. Do not torque or twist, because lateral force can shear the plastic. Make sure you work both left and right sides evenly so the bottom clips disengage in sequence. If a clip resists, stop and reseat the top tabs. Repeating the same pull will only stress the plastic. After removal, check every clip for cracks or bent tabs. You'll want to repair or replace damaged parts before putting the faceplate back. To reinstall, align the bottom tabs into their slots first, then press the top until you hear distinct clicks. This confirms proper seating. If the plate won't budge during removal, use a plastic spudger to gently pry at a resisting clip. Avoid metal tools since they can gouge the case. If a clip breaks, a small dab of plastic adhesive can be a temporary fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.